In today's fast-paced digital landscape, businesses are constantly vying for the attention of their target audience. With countless options available at their fingertips, customers have become increasingly discerning about which brands they choose to engage with. In this highly competitive environment, it is crucial for businesses to find innovative ways to stand out and forge stronger connections with their customers. One powerful tool that has emerged in recent years is storytelling. By incorporating narratives into their online marketing strategies, businesses can captivate audiences, evoke emotions, and create memorable experiences that resonate long after a customer interacts with a brand. Emotional objectives: connecting on a deeper level. Imagine scrolling through your social media feed or browsing an e-commerce website filled with generic product descriptions and promotional offers. It all starts blending together, the same old sales pitches without any personal touch or emotional resonance. As a consumer bombarded by these uninspiring messages day in and day out, you yearn for something more meaningful. This is where storytelling comes into play. By weaving narratives into your online marketing efforts, you can tap into the power of emotions and connect with your customers on a deeper level. Stories have been used since ancient times as a way to convey complex ideas and evoke strong feelings within individuals. Unique rationale: creating lasting impressions. So why should businesses invest time and resources in incorporating storytelling into their online marketing? The answer lies in the lasting impressions it creates on customers' minds. When presented with facts or information alone, our brains tend to process them analytically, storing them temporarily before discarding them when deemed irrelevant. However, when information is presented within the context of a story, complete with characters, conflicts, resolutions, our brains are wired differently. Stories activate multiple areas of our brains simultaneously, engaging both logical reasoning centers and emotional centers. This dual activation makes the information presented in a story more memorable and impactful. By telling stories, businesses can leave a lasting impression on their customers, making them more likely to remember and engage with their brand. What? The elements of effective storytelling. To successfully incorporate storytelling into your online marketing efforts, it is essential to understand the key elements that make a story effective. Authenticity. Customers crave authenticity in today's digital landscape. By sharing genuine stories about your brand's values, mission, or even customer experiences, you can build trust and establish an emotional connection with your audience. Relatability. Stories that resonate with customers are those they can relate to personally. Consider incorporating relatable characters or situations that mirror the challenges or aspirations of your target audience. Conflict and resolution. Every good story needs conflict, a challenge or problem that needs solving, followed by a resolution that satisfies the audience's desire for closure. Use this narrative structure to create compelling stories around how your product or service solves real-life problems. How? Implementing storytelling in online marketing. Now that we understand why storytelling is vital for building stronger connections with customers, let us explore how businesses can effectively implement it within their online marketing strategies. Incorporate narratives into social media content. Craft engaging posts on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter using storytelling techniques such as personal anecdotes or customer success stories. Create emotionally driven videos. Utilize video platforms like YouTube or TikTok to tell visually compelling stories about your brand's journey, values, or impact on people's lives. Develop engaging blog content. Write blog articles centered around captivating narratives related to your industry niche while subtly integrating product information within the context of these stories. Conclusion. Incorporating storytelling into online marketing strategies has become increasingly vital for businesses seeking stronger connections with their customers in today's competitive digital landscape. By connecting on a deeper emotional level, businesses can create lasting impressions that differentiate them from their competitors. Through authentic and relatable narratives, brands can capture the attention and loyalty of their target audience. So, embrace the power of storytelling in your online marketing efforts and watch as your brand transforms from bland to memorable in the eyes of your customers.